Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get a Revolut credit card, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So I'm going to be guiding through the steps, so make sure to watch the video till the end, and here we go. First thing is, go ahead and access the particular website or your browser and type in Revolut credit card, so you can directly go through and apply. You can also explore the option. You can apply in an app, you can order your card and repay flexibly. These are the things. You simply got to go ahead, tap on this apply today, and which will simply open up a particular app where you have to simply log in. Go ahead, log in, then tap on the accounts below your balance on the home screen. Simply have to add a new account by tapping on the plus, which is the add new symbol, and then you simply have to select a credit card that you would like to start the application process for. Then go ahead, add in the information according that it will require for them to implement in the card, and for the further verification fill out the application, and then go ahead, receive a decision. You will receive it in your application quickly right away. Review and accept your offer. Once you have done that, simply have to choose your card type, and once you have done that, you will be able to select whether you want it a physical or virtual. Once you have selected both or individual, then if it's physical, then you have to wait for it to be used for you to use it. If you have tapped on both, then you will get the card and you can start spending and using it accordingly. That's basically how you get it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.